Use the Fold In and Fold Out tools to manipulate a digital pattern like a paper pattern. Click the Fold In tool, then select the external contour from point to point in a clockwise direction. The system creates a fold line between the first and last selected points, and folds in the external contour as an internal line. To fold the internal line out, click the Fold Out tool. Select the fold line along the external contour, then select the internal contour to fold out. To keep the internal contour, hold the Alt key on the keyboard before clicking. Use the Fold In tool to check for symmetry, for example on this sleeve piece. This time, hold the Alt key on the keyboard while selecting the two hem points. When the Alt key is used, the system finds the exact center between the selected points to create the fold line.